Hi guys, and welcome to this video. It's another one that I found some archive footage of. It was how I started off putting the driveway on the front of our house. When we first moved in, it was actually a front garden, but due to some of the circumstances which you'll see in this video, we ended up spending a day taking it all down and moving our cars around and everything like that. It's actually quite a funny video. You'll see our old Vectra estate, which was a massive workhorse for us, and that helped us out a lot in this. Bucket of a car, but brilliant. And yeah, just have a look, see what you think. I hope you enjoy. If you do, then leave a like and subscribe below to let us know. And yeah, let us know what you think if you would have done anything different. Cheers, guys. I come out this morning. Some cunt has done this to my fucking wing. Prick. This is the aftermath.
I think the main thing we need to worry about is getting these.
I got what I wanted done.
Oh, in the
the end result.
It's all that.
Yeah. BM on the drive. That's focus outside the drive. Here's the front now. Cleared of all the, well, most of the debris. This bit's clear of all of it, which is handy. The front garden itself, still got a little bit going, but not too bad. The path here all cleared of the rubble and everything. And the best garden ornament in the world. To show you the driveway, how it looks now. This is what the front garden was. You can see we kept the hedge down the bottom. Very wrong, it needs a really good clean, but this is what our garden looks like now. Instead of having the Cavalier on it, we got all our cars on it, because we never used it for anything else anyway. The Cavalier is actually in a mess behind that trailer there. Hopefully there'll be more videos on that coming very soon. So, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you did, let us know by hitting a like and a subscribe underneath this video. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell just to let you know when we bring out some new videos and new content. If you've got any questions or queries, or you'd like any more technical help, then just fire it into our comments below this video, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks a lot, and keep your eyes peeled for our next video that's coming.